Yo,
I don't need hugs, I need some sticks.
what's poppin', bro? So we back, bro. Shit, I just got back from the hoops, bro. Look, what's about to go down, bro? We about to see. We gonna see if we can hit the range, bro. I don't know, bro. I guess we could go to the range, bro. This is my first time actually going to a real range. I'm just like ready, bro. I wanna see what the hype about, bro. But for sure, bruh, we gonna have us a good time, bro. Make sure you keep that EOS on you. Man, I wanna see how this gonna be though, bro. Cause I ain't never hit off a big gun before, bro. I hit off with little guns though, like handguns. But I ain't never hit off a big gun yet, bro. We gonna see what's up with that, bro. Make sure y'all niggas always take care of your hygiene before you do anything else, bro. You can take care of yourself, nigga. Cause if you don't take care of yourself, who is? Facts. But I'm finna get ready to head out, bro. So let me catch y'all boys. Huh? Yes. Nigga, we by ourselves. Yo, we're here, bro. We finally got in here. Oh, what y'all like? I guess we just wait for some guys. We gotta wait. Yeah, yes sir.
Cash or card?
You wanna pay card? Yeah. I give. Oh yeah, you don't wanna carry cash, so.
Do you both y'all driver's licenses?
Sure. And I looked on you guys' website. It said that y'all had like a little membership or something like that.
I don't know what website says that. No, membership is all first come first serve. So you just log in, we get you set up.
All right.
Go on this, and then just come down to the Richard down there. As soon as he's done, get you set up.
Okay, thank you.
It's all water, so there's no, you don't have to get a membership or anything. Just come in.
All right. Yeah, that's why he wanted to come early. Yeah, makes sense. Shoot, we gonna head out something good though. It gotta be something good, bro.
You got your car?
Huh?
You got your car?
Yeah, I got my car.
Alright, I only said that because I could really just give you my car for my car type shit. Or I could send it to you.
Yeah, just send it to me. I'll pay for the whole thing. Just send me your hat. But we gotta see. I'm gonna see how much it come up into total first. No rapid fire.
What I say?
No rapid fire. That's most ranges though. I'm good. How are you?
You guys looking to rent today? You got your own weapon.
Yeah, I'm looking to rent.
So just check in there. So the pistols are going to be in there. All the rifles are going to be up on the wall right there.
Yo, quick interruption, y'all boys, man. So I did end up losing some of the footage, bro, on the way because my YouTube phone, bro, didn't have enough storage because of the basketball clips. So you know, bro, I had to edit those, bro. I'm probably gonna push those back to next week, bro. We gonna drop this vlog first, cause this like the most important vlog for me, bro. So that being said, bro, it's all good, bro. I'm gonna make sure, bro, the videos are better next time, bro. I'm gonna make sure to record better. This was my first time, so just chill, bro. Bear with me, bro. I'm trying as hard as I can, bro, to make it perfect. But life ain't perfect, bro. I ain't perfect. None of us are perfect and never will be. So Goodbye.
This is crazy. Got that shit, shorty.
This is too small.
Nigga, is the safety one?
You go first. Nigga,
The safety
huh?
took the safety off.
There's no safety on a Glock. Keep going. You gonna know. You gonna. Yeah, it's clear. Oh my goodness.
That's your ass.
It kick.
Huh?
It kick.
A little bit. It's cool though.
Snap.
Nigga, you lying.
have to be in the green and ahead.
Gang, when I tell you my favorite gun ever since I was 12 years old was a Glock 26. And I finally got to actually shoot it. I will be purchasing this in the future. I promise you I will be purchasing this in the future. That was nice. Man, nigga, imagine hitting a Drake. Oh my gosh. I ain't knowing that. Bro. Man, Lou in the mix. Oh, hold up. Down. Put the gun down. Point it down. You got to. Like, you wanna go a little further now? Huh? You said do what?
Push this.
Yeah, that's how you put it down. You wanna go further? Alright, look. Hold this. Load it. Load it. Stick it in. Just like that. You gotta press down.
Oh shit, I was pushing it.
Yeah, you gotta press down. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. You already hit it. Yes. I'm telling you, bro. Darius should have came EPS. He just missed out.
Damn, I'm fucking up. Look. I hit right here.
Yeah, you gotta aim it. You gotta look at down the sights.
Alright,
Oh,
it's
I
your
got
turn.
you, bro.
Damn,
Nervousness that went away now.
Nah, you definitely. Hey, I'm gonna need you to crop the videos and send them to my car.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
I know I got him. I got it. I got the head tap. Head tap. No, I'm telling y'all, Call of Duty.
Damn. Alright, let me stop bullshit.
Got the G45. Yep. Bro, look. Got us an AR, bro. AR-15, bro. 5.56. Look, bro. All those years of YouTube videos paying up. Let me not say that just yet. Oh yeah, all those years of YouTube videos paying off. Seven. We'll just hit on 7.
You might as well do the whole time.
Huh?
Do your whole time.
I don't want to do it all at once.
Alright, fuck it. But shit, you should have did 5-5.
Yeah. I'm gonna take too long.
That's what you just did? Alrighty. This motherfucker about to be loud as shit, y'all.
Oh my goodness.
You don't know how to work that bitch.
Look, bro.
You don't know what the fuck to do, y'all.
It's too big.
Pause.
Oh, it's a safety on here.
Duh.
Yeah. That's why I like rifles. Oh.
Oh shit. I'ma pause.
Look.
Go ahead.
Got the small It didn't hit off again?
Nah, I do it.
Oh. It's my bad. No. Bruh, it's fun. Like, it's not as powerful as you think it is. It's not powerful. Yeah. It's much more easier to control a bigger gun than a handgun. Goodness. That boy hitting off.
Quarter?
same where both of them bullets just hit. I'm about to tell you. Right here and right here.
Yo, I'm in the crib right now, bro. I'm real live editing a vlog for y'all boys right now, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I got like 3 vlogs on the way, bro. This probably the best one, bro. Y'all probably gonna mess with this one, bro. But like, I don't know, bro. I feel like all of them are cool, bro. It's just some cool moments, bro. It's not too much, bro. I told y'all, bro, we gonna start doing more gun stuff, bro. We gonna go to the range every 2 weeks, bro. We gonna start off every 2 weeks, bro. We gonna go to the range, cause you know, nigga, the range is expensive a little bit. It's not that bad, but I was going to shoot for every week at first, bro. I'm not doing that, bro. That's too much, bro. But we can shoot for every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks is cool, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the process, bro, of me getting my gun license, bro. Everything I had to do, because I'm in the DMV, bro. It's a little strict, bro. So we gonna go through that, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how I got my stuff together, bro. Hopefully, bro, y'all niggas could do the same thing, bro. Stop buying them illegal guns, bro. Especially if you're like the age of like 16 to like 20, bro. Just wait, bro. You survived this long without a gun. You can survive, bro. Relax. You don't really need the gun, bro. And you shouldn't even be looking at a gun as like, oh yeah, I just want to shoot somebody. Bro, it's literally like an adult toy, bro. Like, not saying guns are toys, of course not, bro. But you use it to have fun. It gives you that adrenaline boost, bro. You shouldn't be worried about actually shooting a nigga unless you literally have to, bro. Like, if you don't literally have to, bro, you should be cool, bro. And, bro, those type of situations are like once in a lifetime type of shit, bro. So, just cool it, bro. Cool it, bro. Get you a little rifle or something, bruh. Just cool it in the house, bruh. Stay out the way. Y'all niggas be trying to jump head first in the water for what? Nigga, you're not getting anything but more problems because you don't know how to sit down and wait. Bruh, all my young niggas out there, bro, sit down, wait. Nigga, I've literally waited my whole life for this, bro. Nigga, I purposely stayed out of trouble. I purposely didn't do a lot of stupid shit in my life, bruh. So I can get to this point right now, bruh, where I can do all the shit I wanted to do the right way. Do it the right way, bruh. Nigga, I waited my whole life for this, bro. And it's finally paying off, bro, just a little bit. So imagine what y'all niggas could do. This just me, bruh. Like, I still got a lot of stuff I'm trying to get to. But just cool it, bruh. All the young niggas out there, bruh. Even the females, bruh. Like, you don't have to be a certain gender to carry. You don't have to be a certain size. Anything, bruh. It's so many options out there. It's so much to do, bruh. So many careers, bruh. Nigga, slow down, bruh. That's why shit be happening so much. Cause y'all niggas be living too fast. Slow down, bruh. Nigga, go pray to God, fool. Facts, bruh. But, you hear me? I ain't about to sit here, bro. I'm not about to yap to y'all too much, bruh. I just came to tell y'all boys, man. I fucks with y'all, man. Shit, I hope y'all fucking with me, bro. I hope y'all fucking with the new content, bro. I'm gonna try to push this shit out as much as possible, as much as I can, bro. We gonna get to it, bro. Stay true, bruh. Be yourself, bruh. You're not Bloodhound Q50, bruh. Be yourself. But, alright, bruh. Enough with all the trolling, bruh. I troll too much. With that being said, my boys, I love y'all boys, man. Be smart. Go learn something. Go talk to God. And, hey, man. You never know what life got for you, bro. You're not alone, bro. Nobody's alone, bro. God exists, and He will help you, bro. So, hear me, bro. Follow the rules, bro. Follow the law. You're not a pussy because you follow the law. Stop listening to people who have -3 IQ. You don't listen to low IQ niggas, bro. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's definitely a low IQ nigga that you know he's retarded, but because other people agree with him, you're going to follow the bandwagon. Don't do that, bro. Please don't do that, bro. But enough of y'all yapping, bro. Love y'all boys, man. It's the end of the vlog, bro. Peace.